tight.
It's super windy. I'm just gonna go have some fun. We're gonna wait for the car to go by. Follow along. And then just go out for the ride. Now, I wasn't too fast, but maybe I'll get you off face track and just keep you out there so you can see everything. All right, we're gonna start her up. Didn't hear the beeps. We're recording. Let's go for a run. I hear it stuttering. Lost signal. Full speed ahead. Oh man, did you see that flip it? It's gonna crash my camera. All right, what we're gonna do is do a nice radius turn. Here we go. I can't see the screen at all. So if I was to, tap my face, I guess I'm on it. And yeah, very windy out here. I'm gonna walk down to the water and see if I could turn you. Can't get you turned because face tracking's on. So I may cancel face tracking by hitting the 5D button. And then am I able to turn you? Yeah, there you go. So I want to turn you all the way around so you can see the front. And I got a slow SD card. I got an orange sticker. I'm not even sure if I'm recording. I wish the camera had a buzz. Okay, SanDisk Extreme doesn't work. I ordered a Pro, at least I'm by the water. And I had to pull the card out to shut the camera off to get it to start. Very windy. Very windy indeed. Can't see the screen. And there you go. You catch weak, W-E-A-K fish here. Oh man, let me tell you, oh, that is some good fish. It's almost like trout. Put orange, lime, lemon. Oh man, put it on the barbecue in tin foil. Now, I'll tell you one thing. I like my GoPro. No! I love my Osmo Action 4 for vlogging. I really do. This is awesome, man. I know I put the screen down to 50%, but at least I know I'm on me. In the sun, I don't know what I'm on. Can't see the screen. So the Pocket 3, pure daylight for me. I guess it'll work. I just don't know. And on that note, I'm Fish, and I'm out of here.
They came for food.